In this video, I'll guide you on how to easily change your Apple ID profile picture. Make sure to watch the video until the end to avoid mistakes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open your iPhone settings and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. You can find your current profile picture, and to change it, simply tap on the Edit button. You'll then have the option to choose from three options: Take photo, choose photo, or browse. If you want to take a new photo, select Take photo and use your camera to take a selfie. If you prefer to choose an existing photo and pick one from your camera roll, you can move and scale the picture as needed and tap Choose to update your profile picture. You can also browse your iCloud or device files to select a new photo. To set your new profile picture for iMessage, go to Messages, in Messages, in Settings, and tap on Share Name and Photo Settings. You can then select a different picture or even set an emoji as your profile picture. To use this photo everywhere, including your Apple ID and My Card in Contacts, select Add Use and it will immediately update your profile picture. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to write them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next